At OAKA, we make the best barefoot dress shoes for active professionals. Traditional dress shoes are uncomfortable, create poor posture, cause foot pain, and don't represent an active lifestyle. They're also rigid, made from non-eco-friendly materials, and do not travel well. That's why we created OAKA and launched the original Derby a few years ago, redesigning the dress shoe from the ground up to restore comfort and mobility. We've sold thousands of pairs thanks to all of you. Since then, we've gathered all your feedback and are launching our second version, the wide-toe Derby. We've significantly increased the width of our toe box while also upgrading the shoe material to recycled PET, making it even more barefoot friendly while reducing its carbon footprint. All upgrades that came directly from your feedback. OAKAs still have all the features you love, such as being zero drop, flexible, anti-slip, machine washable, packable, and a slip-on. Our customers are you, health-conscious gym goers, frequent business travelers, digital nomads, barefoot enthusiasts, and professionals that just have to be on their feet all day and need something comfortable. My name is Michael Plater, and I would really appreciate your support. Thank you.